I'm Carly with Benzinga, and I'm here with Susan from Obedio. Susan, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. We're happy to have you here.
Thank you. This is a wonderful event. We're happy to be here.
Oh, awesome. So tell me a little bit about your company and what brings you back to this event.
Well, we've been coming to this event every year, and our company is called Obedio. We offer a data service for cannabis companies, and it really, provides an opportunity to identify growth areas, whether expansion into different states. We monitor over 12,000 jurisdictions across the United States, and we really try to focus on places where you can open up a business or provide information from lead generation purposes. So we have a national license database, a national contacts database, everything that you need to grow your business.
Awesome, thank you. So as we enter quarter four, what are some milestones and achievements that you're excited about?
Oh, for our company?
For your company.
Oh, I'm so excited. We just launched our new branding, which is fantastic. So we are now creating data that defines tomorrow. So our branding is, and we're offering some new technology. We just launched an AI transcription service. Yes, so when we monitor the state and local government meetings, we're now going to offer transcripts using AI generative technology.
That's awesome.
And we continue to grow the content that we have. One exciting news, we just added Minnesota. So we are now following every jurisdiction within Minnesota, and that's about 1,500 jurisdictions.
Wow.
And it's a lot of activity that's going on right now.
Well, congrats on that.
Oh, thanks. Mm-hmm. Yes.
What are some market factors and industry changes that you've seen in the cannabis industry in 2023?
2023, the meltdown in New York.
We were just talking about that a little bit.
Yes, I live in New York and I witness it every day.
Right.
What I'm really hoping is that the new application window will really speed up the implementation of the market. The cultivation industry is really suffering. We've had a very slow implementation of the retail sector. So hoping that this year the government will actually allow the business and the market to help it with actually identifying real estate and getting these businesses open and buying product.
Right. Yeah, that is the hopes. So do you feel the current macro financial scene affects your company in any way?
Well, I mean, obviously the interest rates are obviously cutting down on the capital, right? And so if people don't have capital, they don't have money to buy your service.
Right.
So, we need to get to a part to where the industry is really robust, that we see the regulators enforce the regulations so that we can get rid of some of the illicit cannabis businesses and make sure that that business goes to the licensed businesses so that, profits can go up, revenues can go up, and that firms actually have money that they can use to buy the services that they need to grow, and to actually maintain the reputation, invest in risk controls and compliance so that, the industry is safe from a reputational perspective and that we, get the credibility that we deserve.
That's awesome. Yeah, and that's true. What do you think are some things that investors and consumers should be looking out for right now?
Consumers, I think we'd like to see consumers really frequent the legal stores rather than going to any sort of unlicensed stores. Investors, it's tough, and you have to look at the long-term view of the industry. The industry is not going away.
Right.
It's just a situation where we're just kind of working out the wrinkles. And if we have the help of the regulators in enforcing the rules and making sure that, people who are selling cannabis products are actually the ones making, are licensed and they're making money from it, I think that will help investors overall get the comfort that the industry is going to grow and that it's safe to actually invest into the industry.
Yes, and I totally agree with that too. Before we wrap up, can you please tell our audience where we can connect with you, where we can find you?
Sure. You can reach us at www.getobedio.com or info@getobedio.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
All right, great. Thank you.
Thank you.